So this is just to answer your question about lockboxes, how we assign lockbox to a certain property. So what we do is we go to Supra and then we log in and then we click on listings. If you want to find out which keybox was assigned to a certain property, we just Control F or Command F if you're using Mac 2100. So this is the keybox number that was assigned to 21 McHenry's Road. So I put a note here that this one is already in escrow, just for me to make sure that I doesn't follow up with those headers. But sometimes I forget to do it. Like for example, I think freshwater is already in escrow, so I haven't put that note in there yet. But how do we assign keybox number to a certain property? So usually, Jared or someone he assigned bring those keybox to, like, bring a keybox to a certain property. For example, for Gramercy Drive. So Jared brought this keybox to Gramercy Drive. So, and then he take a picture of that keybox with the serial number. This is the serial number. So he take a picture of that and send it to me. And then he tells me, like for example, this keybox number, it was assigned to 2388 Gramercy Drive. And then I go ahead and click on that keybox number. Okay. Or yeah, so click on if you go to keyboxes, there are keyboxes that doesn't have houses assigned. So for example, this one. So if this was the assigned keybox to a certain property, we just click here and then assign listing MLS number. So we click here, we enter the MLS number that is assigned to a certain property, and then automatically the address will be entered. But for example, like that listing is still coming soon, or it does not have MLS number yet. So I usually put just a random number and then click assign, and then I add the address. If I do that, if there is no MLS number assigned to a certain property yet. But if there is, just enter. We just enter the MLS number and automatically the address is entered. Okay. If you have any more questions, just let me know. Thank you.